I bought this for my mother-in-law because she wanted to leave her patio door open during the summer months, but her condo doesn't have a screen door. The funny thing is, we already have this exact same screen on our own patio door. We put ours up about 3 years ago and it's still in great shape, so I already knew it worked really well. It lets all that fresh air come in, but it keeps the bugs outside where they belong. What I like most is you don't have to think about it. You can just walk through it and the magnets snap it closed behind you. If you're carrying groceries or if you've got your hands full or if you've got kids or pets going in and out, it just makes it so much easier. Putting it up was a lot easier than I thought. It sticks right to the door frame with the included hook and loop strips. So we had it up in honestly just a few minutes without dragging out any tools. Just make sure you measure your door first so you order the right size. After using ours for about 3 years, I had no problem buying the same one again for her. It's one of those simple things that just works. Now she can enjoy her fresh air without worrying about mosquitoes flying into her place.